working undercover with the CFA is due to make contact with him. Check his current location on your iDroid. Follow him, and he should lead you right to the Major. Gunship. A single burst from his machine gun can cut a man in half. Tread carefully, boss.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Please select a deployment point. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Fire!
Please select a deployment point.
That's an enemy gunship. A single burst from his machine gun can cut a man in half. Tread carefully, boss. Black carrot. It's something of an ancestor to the domestic carrot. It's also a favorite of wild animals.
Please select a strike point. Strike requested. Strike will commence shortly. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Mission has been updated. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Analysis complete.
Is that him? Take a good look at their faces so we can ID the targets.
Analysis Analysis complete. Please select a strike point. Strike requested. Strike will commence shortly. Analysis complete.
Boss, what
Mission
about the
info
intel he
has
had?
been updated.
No use arguing about it now. Contract objective complete.
Please select a landing zone. Support helicopter
Roger.
requested.
This is B-Quad. Arriving shortly at LZ. This is B-Quad. On station at LZ. Gaining altitude.
Exfiltrated
That's
hot
it.
zone.
You've made it out of the hot zone. No sign of the enemy. Mission complete, boss.
Departing.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Development project has been added.
Mission complete. Great work. Boss, about those walker gears spreading all over Africa. Huey's got an idea for a counter-weapon. Come on back to base.
This. It's a variable, multi-legged tank. A spin-off of Metal Gear technology.
Big fan of spin-offs, isn't he? I hear he borrowed from the Soviets in Costa Rica, too.
The design allows for a lot of freedom in setups. It's based around a central core unit, so you can quickly reconfigure the hardware to suit any sort of mission parameters.
What the good doctor's trying to say is that it's customizable.
Naturally, it will raise the probability of success for standard missions. But it functions as an improved deterrent by increasing your preemptive strike capability against enemy elements. You just deploy it in a war zone, and its superior firepower puts the brakes on enemy attacks. Eventually, the whole war machine grinds to a halt. A true battle gear!
Cause I'm having deja vu here.
I don't like him any more than you. But we need this.
You think it'll cut it in the field?
Turning radius is better than any tanks. That's great for regional skirmishes. Tech like this is popping up all among the PFs. Best way to deal with them is to fight fire with fire.
I'll await your instructions then, boss.
So do we have your approval to commence development?
Fine.
Consider yourself off the chopping block, Doctor.
Got a new mission for you, boss.